you guys, today I will be doing a quick pour with just two colors. I'm giving something a try and I want to see how it's going to come out to see if I could use it for a project. So let's give it a go. Okay, so I've gotten the base down and all I'm going to do is take this black, which is my cell activator, and I'm just going to blow it out. Okay, now that's what I wanted. Is beautiful. But it seemed like I lost my paint on the bottom. What I should have did is just pre-painted it and let it, sit for a little bit. And then just go back over it with my my base paint. Because you don't want them seeing your base. So the next time I'll try it by pre-painting it first. Because I wanted this, look to work. And so, especially when it comes out beautiful, you don't want your design to be messed up. So, and see, I'm messing it up by trying to add more of the paint in the places that it, you can see the surface. So I may just even have to redo it. I mean, it's not bad, but I did cover up some of the spots that I did like, that had the reaction that I wanted. So, yeah, the next time, I'll just try it with painting the base first, so that it doesn't take off the paint, in the places that that I really, really like. So let's give this one a go. And I guess the key is taking your time too, because I notice when I take my time with the blowing, I get a much better result than when I rush. So just take your time. And so, yes, the same thing on this one. You know, I have spots here. No paint. The good thing is that I really want to cover the center. So that is a good thing. Okay, so I just have to go with it at this point. Next time I'll do it the right way. Wow. That paint just splattered. I don't know what all I hit. I know some of it hit the floor. That's why you need to cover your floors. Of course, I know that already. Look like they kind of filled in good, so, but I prefer for it to dry like this. But with adding, you know, that extra paint, you know, I do have some Dopplers, which would probably be better than what I'm using. Let's give that a try. Okay, so I put some in here. Let's see if that's going to work. Maybe it'll be a little bit better than what I was doing. It's a little bit better. More precise than that bigger tip on the squeeze bottom. Still coming out much thicker than I want it to. But it still is a little bit more precise. Okay. Now bring you guys down for a close-up. Just a moment. Okay, here we go. Let's get the close-up for you. I love the gold and black anyway. Now that one looks like it's going to dry better than all of them. Hopefully it does. But I just love the way the cells, how that cells just break up all over the towel. So tell me what you think, you guys, about this color combo. I think it still came out great. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscription button to subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, you guys, thanks for watching.